These 5A tools are about to change how you work forever. But here's the catch. Most creators don't know they exist yet. Claude 3.5 Sonnet is revolutionizing how creators write scripts, emails, and social posts. It understands context better than competitors and maintains your brand voice perfectly. For freelancers, it saves hours on client revisions. The reasoning mode even helps debug code and solve complex problems. It's faster and cheaper than earlier versions' game changer for your workflow. Forget spending hours in Adobe. Runway A generates professional video edits instantly using text prompts. You can remove backgrounds, add effects, and create motion graphics in minutes. Small businesses love it because it democratizes video production. Reasoning Motion Grading. The latest features include AI-powered color grading and automatic subtitle generation. No experience needed. Perplexity is your AI research assistant with live internet access. It cites sources directly, making fact-checking instant and transparent. Creators use it for trends, data gathering, and competitor analysis. The Pro version offers advanced reasoning and image analysis. It's perfect for staying ahead in fast-moving industries without drowning in tabs. Upload PDFs, articles, or documents. It creates summaries, generates study guides, and powers podcast-style audio overviews. Freelancers it to manage create summaries, generates study guides, and powers podcast-style audio overviews. Freelancers use it to manage client briefs. Small business owners leverage it for knowledge management. Hit subscribe to stay ahead of iTrends and drop a comment telling us which tool you're trying first. Let's grow together.